Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So I've always liked how black lug nuts looked on most of the modern wheels now because they either are black or they use like a gray finish, kind of like these here. If you remember a while back, I used a lug nut cover, kind of like a hexagon shape. They're a flat black. They're kind of bulky looking. These right here did a great job of blackening it out. Save you a lot of money because the black lug nuts are like $200 for the set. Which I wasn't going to pay that, especially since when you take them off, they get dogged up. So these covers do a great job. They never come off. They just slide on and the friction holds them on. Never had an issue with it. But one thing I didn't like about them is they're kind of big and then they're flat black. So they look kind of on the cheaper side, I feel, when the wheels are all shined up. Looks all nice and shiny. And then all the black accents on this car. So I found a new style here. It's from Colorlugs is the name. They're a shiny color vinyl. They have blue, red, yellow, and then the black, of course. I like them, and they're just circular. That's it. There's no odd edge on them. So let me go ahead and show you what they look like here. Very basic. They're a lot thinner. Same thing, you just slide them on. What I like about them too, they're definitely, so they're longer, so they'll cover the whole thing. And they're smaller in diameter, so it looks more like a lug nut. Instead of these things kind of look, I don't know, a little out of place sometimes I feel like. So that's how it looks. Very easy way to dress up your wheels without dropping hundreds of dollars for colored lug nuts. Now these things, the only thing is once you put them on, you can't really pull them back off with your fingers. They give you this little tool here, and you actually do need it. I thought it was kind of gimmicky, but you do. You have to go in behind them, and you just slightly pull, and then it takes them out because they grip really well onto there because they're a little bit thinner. But I like the look of them. So before you guys spend hundreds of dollars on lug nuts, definitely check them out. Like I said, if you want red ones, they have those. I like them a lot. So here's all of them replaced. You can't see it as good here, but like in the sun, they have a nice shine to them, just like when you buy gloss black lug nuts, they look like. And it looks identical. It's a circular shape there. You know, if you glance at it, it looks like a lug nut. With the other things that look kind of blocky. So they're not that expensive. I think they were $19 I paid for these, and you get enough for all the wheels, of course. I like them. It's a subtle thing. Like I said, I've had black lug nuts before, but what I don't like about them is, A, you're spending hundreds of dollars for lug nuts. I mean, really. And when you take them and they use impact drivers and all that, if you take your car to the dealership, when you rotate tires, they get dogged up. So you spend hundreds of dollars on these lug nuts, and after a few years, if you rotate on a frequent basis, they just look kind of dogged up. And then you go replace them, and it's more and more money. You know, I think it's like $50 a set for 5. So this is a great option. Like I said, I just do this, and then when I take my car to have the tires rotated, I take them off just so the people at the dealership don't lose them and don't have to finagle trying to take those things off. So definitely check them out. I'll put a link in the description of some that are on eBay right now, but if it doesn't work, it's because they sold out. But just look up Colorlugs lug nut covers, and you'll find them. Like I said, I like these because they are glossy. They do look a little higher end. They kind of mimic a gloss black lug nut. Pretty close compared to the other ones. Always look like some type of cover. And like I said, when I have my car all cleaned up, has that nice shine to it. It looks good. So if you guys are looking to, do some little modifications to your car and you want to kind of eliminate some of the chrome on it, I would highly recommend doing this over $200 for Acura lug nuts. Just my opinion. And like I said, they have different ones too. So for these ones, I got the biggest ones they sell. It's a 21 to 23 millimeter. And that fits perfect. And the nice thing is you can use it like I do here. It'll even go over the locking lug nut because that's a different shape. It fits over that too, and you can't even tell which one's the locking lug nut when you cover them. And they sell like a 17 millimeter, but it would be for some small lug nuts. So all these, the Honda Accord, all those go with the 21 millimeter size and it'll fit perfect. Okay, I just wanted to share this with you guys. If you haven't seen these yet, I would check them out if you're going that route. I think it makes a big difference than having chrome lug nuts, especially on these A-spec models and cars that you're kind of blacking the chrome out. It's kind of that finishing touch. So again, not expensive, under $20, but makes a big difference on the appearance of your vehicle. So again, I hope everyone's having a great day out there, staying safe. I appreciate all your guys' support. I do. So please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks again, everybody.